This tutorial finishes the gas can model using Geomagic Sculpt. First, we'll set up the grip ridges on the cap. The last command we used was Edit Plane. Now we'll edit the top plane and use it to create a cross-section for our ridge. Select the top plane and click Show Advanced Settings. Change the Rotate X Local value to 90 degrees. Press Enter or click on the screen to apply. Select the Plane Intersection Curve tool. Select the plane. We now have a cross-section curve where the plane intersects the cap. We only need part of this intersection curve, so we'll split and remove the unwanted portion. First, hide the previous circle sketch. Then, click on the Split tool. Add points for the first cap ridge. Select points on the curve where we want to split. The curve is now split in two. Grab the Select tool and select the unwanted curve, then press Delete. Now we have just the portion of the curve we want. Now we'll create a ridge with the Pipe tool. Select the Pipe tool and click the ridge line on the cap. Set the start diameter of the pipe shape to 1/10 of an inch. Click Create Pipe and Add. Now we're going to create a lower lip using the same method. Again, let's select the top plane and click Show Advanced Settings and set Rotate X Local to -90 degrees. Adjust the plane position so it crosses just above the bottom of the cap. Activate the cap piece. Select the Plane Intersection Curve tool to create another cross-section of the cap. Select the top plane. Let's use this cross-section to pattern the ridges around the cap. Select the Pattern Piece tool and click on the ridge section. In the Copies box, enter 20 and click Apply. Delete the first redundant copy of the ridge. Now, to create the bottom lip, select the Pipe tool, then click on the bottom cross-section curve. Increase the diameter to 2/10 of an inch. Be sure to toggle off the Create a New Piece option. Click Create Pipe and Add. Now, we'll add a ridge at the top of the cap. Edit the top plane again and move it towards the top of the cap. Edit the circle sketch, bringing it in to the inner circumference of the ridges. Click on Project Sketch. We want the curve to be projected onto the cap, so activate the cap piece. Now the curve is projected onto the cap. Activate the wire cut piece and select the circle sketch. To combine the new ridge with the others, activate Piece 3. Then select the Pipe tool. Set the start diameter to 1/10 of an inch. Click Create Pipe and Add. We now want to cut out the inside of the cap. Turn off visibility for the cap ridge piece and the main model piece. Similar to how we extended the inner spout, we'll mirror this negative offset so it extends beyond the main cap before we remove it. Select the top plane and Show Advanced Settings to edit. Move the top plane to the base of the cap. Click on the Mirror Clay tool and click Match Top Plane. Preview and click Apply. On the new offset, select Boolean and remove From. Choose Wire Cut and click OK. Turn on visibility for the wire cut and delete the negative offset. Select clay coarseness and set to 0.007. For piece 3, select Boolean and combine into. Choose wire cut and wire cut again for the piece to combine into. Now we'll finish with a logo on the cap. Select the top plane. Edit the plane and move it above the cap again. Select Look At. Choose the Emboss with Image tool. Select the 3D Systems logo provided with Sculpt. Adjust the image size and position on the cap. Preview. Be sure Invert Emboss is toggled off. Preview again. Then apply the embossed logo. Your detailed cap is finished. For overall finishing touches on the model, turn on visibility and adjust the view. Activate the main piece, grab the Smooth Area tool, then select All. Increase the Preserve Detail setting and click Smooth. If the smooth level is too high, you can undo it with Ctrl-Z. Let's do that. Lower the smooth level and try again. Check the cross section of the gas can. The model is complete.